We discuss here statement of the problem, concept of the mobile node, difference operators of the moving node, solution method, numerical experiments. Statements of the problem. Let's consider the boundary value problem for parabolic equations 1 with initial and boundary conditions. N1, 3, uxt is an unknown function. Fxt phi x in u0t and ubt is a given functions. Equation 1 is considered in the region sigma. There are various methods for solving the problem: analytical, numerical. It is assumed that the initial and boundary conditions such that the solution to the problem exists and unique. To solve the problem, an approximate method is proposed here as a multi-point version of the moving node. The concept of the moving node. To better understanding the moving node method, let's start with a simple example. Consider the equation, ordinary differential equation, and with boundary conditions. Exact solution of this problem 5 is now for the numerical calculations of the problem, we construct such that non-uniform grids. And for node x, y, I will write the finite difference approximation such that an equation uy is approximate equation of problem 5. And here equal to with the nodes. And from it, we can obtain such equation. If this is only one internal node x on the segment 0, 1, we can obtain equation 10. From here, use of boundary conditions, we have such results of the equation. This is formula coincides with the exact solution. The primary solution 11 exactly coincides with the exact solution of the problem. Using a mobile node for a simple problem, we obtain an exact solution for 2-point problem with one mobile node. In 10, x is the mobile node, and this is equation, mobile difference equation. Difference operator of the mobile node. When approximate differential operators using the mobile node, a finite difference relation is introduced by analogy. Let node 0 and b be considered fixed. maybe boundary conditions. And node X changes to segment 0b. Then the approximation of the derivatives first or second order also changes based on the location of the interval node. Node X, they call it mobile. Mobile node, this is a mobile node, changes his position. And so we can give approximate solution with the mobile node. When approximate differential operators, the first derivatives at the moving node are approximation by difference relations. There are left difference relation such that second right difference relation and central difference relations for first derivative. To approximate the second derivative, we use the expression which obtained from the second approximation second derivative. We use U big X, we denote the approximate analytical solution of the problem. It is possible to increase the number of mobile nodes. We will select additional mobile node as follows. X1, 0 plus X2, X2, B plus X2. When node X changes its position, Xn, X1, and X2 automatically changes their position. In this way, it is possible to increase the number of the mobile nodes. The increase in the number of mobile nodes is related to the accuracy of the difference equations. Main and X is this main moving node. X1, X2 is this additional moving node. How to solve equation, parabolic equation by moving multiplied moving node? Solution method. Number of nodes to be moved 1. In this case, we have such the template. X, T inside of the region. This is moving node. If the position changes his position, we struck new difference equation. If in order to improve solution, we maybe edit new mobile node such that xt mobile node xt divided to additional mobile node in order to better approximate difference equation. My normal node, additional mobile node. Number of nodes to be moved 3. When we divided 4 axis x 3 such this. This is main moving node. additional moving node. This is additional nominal lift moving node. And so on. That's the first index of omega mn. The template means the number of nodes to move by variable x. And the second index means the number of nodes to move by variable t. For example, omega 3 second, it means that there are 3 mobile nodes for the variable x and 2 for the variable t. The approximation of equation 9 with one movable node look like approximation of this. This is algebraic equation. This unknown is uxt. Solving equation taking into account the boundary and initial conditions we obtain solution. This is problem. Parabolic equations. To improve the solution, we add mobile node when approximating the template omega 3,1. We obtain 3 types of mobile node: x2, t, xt, and b plus x divided 2t. For each mobile node, we use 3 implicit schema of type written respectively, such like one for mobile node xt, in mobile node x b plus x divided to t. We have 3 equations. From here, we can obtain it from system. We determine solution of the problem. Here, this is the solution. 53 mobile node. And here, the notation is introduced such that. Now, let us consider improving the solution by adding alternating nodes with respect to the mobile t. For briefly, we introduce the notation. Let's introduce notation such that pt for briefly S2, S3, and so on. Then we can, based on this notation, it can be written as follows. If we use such this pattern, omega 1, 2, write equation 16 for these nodes. For node xt divide 2, we have such 17 equation. And for node xt, we have equation 18. Substituting expression 17 into 18, we obtain solution problem 1,3. If we use this point moving nodes by variable t, we have such the solution. We can increase the number of moving nodes by both variables. Numerical experiments. Problem 1. Consider the problem 1,3 with the following input parameters. Exact solution to this problem is here in figure exact solution of the problem 1. Here in second picture approximate solution problem 1. Figure 6.7 compare the exact and approximate solution obtained using the mobile node. It is very difficult to distinguish visually. And so here different solution. Exact solution minus approximate solution with the one mobile node. And here this is a very good agreement with the exact and approximate solution. And this is picture in figure 9, different solution with the 3 mobile node. And you see it is better approximation. Figure 8 shows the difference between the exact and approximate solution. Good results when used with the 3 mobile nodes along the variable x. The results improves. Problem 2. Let us parameters of problem 1, 3. Here is the form. And the exact solution in this problem here such that this is in figure 10 exact solution. In the right figure 11 approximate solution with one mobile node for problem 2. The exact solution of problem 2 is shown in figure 10, and the approximate solution with one mobile node is shown in figure 11. Comparison of figure 10 and 11 shows qualitative agreement between the obtained solutions. Here in this figure 12, different solution with one mobile node for problem 2. In this picture, figure 13, different solution with 3 mobile nodes along x and along t for problem 2. The difference between the exact and approximate solution with a single point moving node is shown in figure 12. The approximate solution, additional alternative nodes were used. When using 3 moving nodes along the x variable and along the variable, the difference between the exact and the approximate solution was reduced by half compared to one mobile node. Problem 3. Now consider problem 1 with the input parameters. Exact solution of this problem is, in here we see exact solution problem 3 in approximate solution with 3 mobile nodes in x and t for problem 3. Figure table 15 shows the exact and approximate solution to problem 3. The approximate solution was obtained with 3 mobile nodes, both variables, which shows good agreement between the approximate solution and the exact solution. This is an error of problem when one moving node is here when for x3 or 42. And here is both variable 3, 3. Error. This is solution. Increasing the number of mobile nodes will need to decrease in the error of the solution obtained In this case, the decreases in the error is this problem is more noticeable with an increased number of mobile nodes in the variable t. Problem 4. An applet problem is considered the Black-Scholes differential equations, like these equations, Black-Scholes equations. This is a VST is a option value. T is the time to expiration of the option. S is the price of the underlying exit. Sigma is the volatility. R is the interest rate. We use this for this equation 21 mobile node method. Initial boundary condition is what this problem is 22. We approximate equation 21 with the mobile node such that this is CST, is this approximation solution. We calculated with these input parameters. Exact solution of the problem VST and so on, and we obtain such this picture of the exact solution for problem 4. Approximate solution with the one mobile node and with 3 mobile nodes. Exact in approximate solution. Here, figure 21, difference between the exact in approximate solutions with the one mobile node. In the right, we get 22 different solution with 3 mobile nodes. The difference between the approximate and exact solutions. Conclusion, the presented analysis of the initial boundary value problem for parabolic equations shows that the proposed solution method allows its application in finding approximate solution, increasing the number of moving nodes contributed to the more detailed approximation of the solution. Considering the universality of multi-point moving nodes, this solution method can be effectively applied to parabolic equations that included convection reaction terms and Newton-type boundary conditions. Thank you.